Today, let's discover about 5 main challenges and triumphs of women entrepreneurs and overcoming challenges. While the entrepreneurial spirit knows no gender, women entrepreneurs often face unique hurdles. Let's discuss few specific challenges. The first one is access to funding. Women entrepreneurs often face difficulties in getting funded. For example, Sarah Blakely, founder of Spanx, initially struggled to secure funding for her shapewear idea. She persuaded by bootstrapping her business and eventually became a self made billionaire. Second point, balancing the responsibilities of business along with family commitments can certainly be overwhelming for a women entrepreneur. For example, Shirley Sandberg, in her role as a Chief Operating Officer of Meta, formerly Facebook, during her tenure in Meta, openly discussed the challenges of balancing career and motherhood. She advocated for policies that supported working mothers and created a flexible work environment at Facebook. Third point, underrepresentation and bias. Women entrepreneurs often face gender stereotypes and discrimination in their business world. Indra Nooyi, former CEO of PepsiCo, faced numerous challenges as a woman in a male dominated industry. She broke through barriers by demonstrating exceptional leadership and business acumen. Fourth point, building a strong network. Building a strong network for a women entrepreneur can be very challenging in a male dominated industry. Reshma Sujeni, founder of Girls Who Code, created a platform to inspire and educate young women in computer science. She partnered with tech giants, universities, and non-profits to expand reach and influence. Hence, she was able to build a strong network of mentors, investors, and industry leaders. Whitney Wolf, founder of Bumble, introduced a dating app with a female first approach. She utilized her personal connections and social media to build a strong brand and user base. And the impact was she was successfully positioned herself as a leading women entrepreneur in tech industry. Fifth point, lack of mentorship. Finding right coaches and mentors who really understand the challenges and difficulties of women entrepreneurs also can be difficult. Ariana Huffington, founder of Huffington Post, the America's new and opinion website with international editions. It's known for its mix of news articles, blogs, and opinion pieces on a wide range of topics including politics, business, entertainment, lifestyle, and more. She has actually become a mentor to countless women entrepreneurs, emphasizing the importance of support and guidance. Let us also look at Kiran Majumdar Shaw, the executive chairman of Biocon Limited. She is also another exceptional example of an Indian women entrepreneur who has served as a mentor for many aspiring entrepreneurs. Her journey from a microbrewery to a global biopharmaceutical leader is an inspiration. Kiran emphasizes on research and development, coupled with her business acumen, has made her a role model for countless women looking to make a mark in their business world. Though she's not exclusively focused on mentoring women entrepreneurs, her story and achievement has empowered many to pursue her entrepreneurial experience and aspirations. The success stories of these enterprising women prove that with the right strategies and support, any woman can build an empire with a thriving business. Are you ready to unlock your full potential as an entrepreneur, as a women entrepreneur? Let's create a roadmap to your success together. Need guidance in your entrepreneurship journey? Share your comments below on your challenges. Please subscribe to our channel for more business updates. Thank you.